G'day folks, and welcome to another sketching session where I share my process and my insights about art and creativity. Well, I have to be honest with you guys, this particular drawing was quite difficult for me, and I think maybe because it was the expression on the face, or I wasn't in the right headspace at the time. Yeah, it took me ages just to get this portrait to a point where I was happy with. As you can see here, I was doing many corrections. I think my reference probably wasn't the best. I didn't have enough light and shadow areas to help me guide where the features are. I was still relatively going in light with my pencil, but they were starting to build up and get heavier and thicker, as you can see. So I rolled up my kneadable eraser and it goes through all those lines. And it took me ages just trying to get the lips right and the chin right, and I always went in with the kneadable eraser and just kept making revisions. Yeah, this one just took ages. It was starting to get a bit frustrating, but I just kept on going and see how it went. And as you can see here, I was thinking of adding in the arms and the hand. The picture of the woman was blowing rose petals, and I thought it'd be an interesting subject matter to add to the portrait. Unfortunately, I didn't realise how much trouble it would give me later on in the drawing. Hands are complex things to draw at the best of times, and if you don't get them right, they do look weird, and it throws off the whole portrait. At this stage, I think I was happy with the face finally, so I started adding in the darker lines and doing some shading. I think I was quite relieved at this stage, getting the face pretty much to the point where I was happy with it. Now I'm just starting to darken in the eyes and the eyebrows and the nose, starting to establish some of the shadows, which there wasn't too many on the reference photo. In hindsight, I think I should have picked a better reference photo, one with more definition of shadows and light, and I think that would have been a better choice to make. Sometimes not everything goes as we expect them to go. So we just have to make the best of those situations, and sometimes we just have to come back to them and reassess what we did wrong and not worry about stressing over it, because stressing over things like that don't work. We can be disappointed, that's fine, but I think in hindsight you got to assess what went wrong and learn how to improve from that. If you guys have enjoyed this kind of content so far and enjoyed this video, can you please hit the like button, and if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button as well if you want to see more content like this in the future. And if you've got any questions, just leave a question in the comment section below and I'll see if I can answer it for you. At this stage of the drawing, I think I was satisfied with the face and the shading, and so I started in on the hair. I decided to rub out those hands. I wasn't going to worry about them. I think I had enough trouble with the portrait itself. I think by this stage my mind wasn't ready to push on to do the hands, as hands can be quite complex as well. So I just started adding in the darker areas to the features and the hair and decided to call this one done. If you guys found value in this video and like to know more and have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more content. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.